You have to be out on country to feel the country, walk the country, and listen to the country so you can actually feel what the country is telling you.
Amazing, because look at the scenery you got. You know, look at it. Wouldn't be anywhere else.
Last year, the state government created the new 260,000 hectare Purungunya National Park in the Pilbara's ancient heartland as part of its Plan for Our Parks initiative. Today, this striking landscape is primed for renewal as Nyamal people return to country to help conserve its beauty and spirit.
This is all Nyamal country, so the park's joint managed with Nyamal Aboriginal Corporation. We can learn so much from the traditional owners of the land. I've learned so much being here for the short time I have, and they can read the landscape and teach us so much about it. So yeah, that's pretty special.
The joint management has created jobs for Nyamal people to care for their land.
I've been working since I was a 10-year-old boy to this job. You know, you've got to put a smile on your face, you know. Yeah, I'm honoured and proud for the opportunity.
Yes, I love it actually, because when I was young I had a bit of a dream that I was going to be a ranger, so I've done everything else and it finally came along, so I'm happy to be a DBCA senior Nyamal ranger.
Really privileged being involved in it. Would never have thought of doing it when I was younger. But as you get older, you feel really closer to knowing where you come from and where your ancestors been.
As a new park, Purungunya presents the team with a challenging yet exciting journey.
Not every day you get to sort of start a national park from scratch, so it's it'll have its challenges. Our challenge at the moment is managing invasive species we've got here. Cattle is a big one, and then weed species as well. Yeah, so we've got some pretty unique fauna out here that we're hoping to capture on our camera traps and other survey methodology. We've got potentially the night parrot, which is pretty exciting, northern quolls, which we've already captured on camera traps, and olive pythons is another interesting one. And then yeah, the bilby would be really cool to find as well, so fingers crossed.
There are also plans to welcome more visitors to this special piece of country.
So the park's open for day visitation at the moment to just a selected few sites, but yeah, there will be plans in the future to open it up to camping, and we'll have a campground with 6 or 7 sites, which will be good.
I'd like for it to be a true national park where visitors can come with respect, and the Indigenous side of it, teach people about the Indigenous ways.